What's up, guys? So today we're going to be switching my friend's hatch struts support. These are my old ones. I already had a video, I already made some for mine, and I'm gonna just give him my old ones because he has to put a strut bar so it could stay up because these are shot already. These don't work anymore. And I'm just gonna trade him these for his lights since he's gonna sell the car soon. And my lights are pretty messed up. Water could leak into them, so I'm just trade them real quick before he sells the car soon. He's about to get another car too, wait on that. But yeah, I'm gonna just do this first, and I'm not gonna film because I've already done it already in my channel, and then we're gonna do the lights after. Alright, like this is not good. You could make it go up and down, it's not good. This is a good one. Can't even push it down. Alright, so for the lights, what you have to do is what I'm seeing right here. You have to take off this one, maybe this, no, actually just this one. There's this little cover right here, take that off, and there's another one right here, and two more over here. And what I'm using, what I found that works is a 5/16. That's what I use to loosen it up. So I'm gonna just do that real quick and swap them out. So far we have one down. This is mine right here. See how it's all open? Not good. And this is his right here, all nice. I remember to switch my LEDs. Look at his. This is tinted bulb. This is LED bulb. So yeah, I'm just gonna switch out the bulbs and put everything back up. So we put on the lights already. And we fixed this hatch already. That's it for today.